Hello everybody, and thank you very much for watching. What if you want to use a Samsung DeX but you don't have a mouse with you? Don't worry, your Galaxy device can be turned into a giant touchpad. In this video, we'll show you 8 input features that this touchpad allows you to do. So let's begin. To activate the touchpad, first of all, you need to have your Galaxy device connected to a bigger screen. And once that's done and you have a DeX is running, what you need to do is swipe down on your device, and inside notifications, you should see an option saying use your tablet as a touchpad. In my case, I'm seeing tablet award because I'm using Galaxy Tab S6. In your case, if you're using a smartphone, you will see a use your phone as a touchpad. Once I tap on this option, my Galaxy tablet changed the screen into a giant touchpad. So now I can interact with everything what's inside the DeX using this touchpad. So first input feature is tap. Tap basically acts as a left mouse button. So if I move the mouse over, let's say, Samsung Internet Browser, and I tap once, it opens the app up. It's just the same thing as I would do with a mouse click. So if I open this up, I can go and I tap again and minimize it. So that's good. Option 2 is two-finger tap. Similar, same thing as you would get if you press right mouse button. So if I press on that, as you saw, this is what I'm getting. And if I'm two-finger tap on the screen, that's what I'll get. I can't speak today at all. Two-finger swipe. So if I open up the Samsung DeX subreddit group, I use two fingers to go up and down and scroll over the page. Great, and you can do the same thing horizontally. So if I go and open, for example, KineMaster, I can use two fingers to go through a timeline inside this app. So vertically or horizontally scrolling, you require two fingers and just move horizontal way or vertical way. Next one is two fingers pinch to zoom. So if I go back to the Samsung DeX subreddit group, I can use two fingers to zoom in and out. So pinch to zoom in and out. And very useful for me when I'm editing videos inside KineMaster, because I can use two fingers to expand the timeline or reduce the timeline. So go all the way or expand it. So it's very useful when I'm editing videos in KineMaster. Touch and hold acts as the select button. So there is an app, for example, here on the screen. It says Fluid. If I tap and hold, I select this app. And the next option is tap, hold, and move. So I pressed on the screen, I'm still holding, and then I can move this app around. As you can see, the icon is floating around. So if I go and tap on the top of this app window, I tap, hold, and then I can move it to the side. The same I can do with pretty much any app. So tap, hold, and move. So tap, hold, and move around. Next one is three fingers at input is recents. So if I use three fingers to press on the screen, it opens the recents app, and four fingers acts as a home. So if I press with the four fingers, this acts as a home. Three fingers back to recent apps, or let's say multitasking, background apps, and four fingers acts as a home. And these 3 and 4 finger inputs, you can change it. So if you go to the settings, and let's open settings. If I go to Samsung DeX, mouse and trackpad, and inside there it says touchpad gestures. Inside there is two options: tap with 3 fingers and tap with 4 fingers. So if I, for example, click on the 3 fingers option, I can change it from recents to open quick settings, view notifications, back, recent, home, show apps screen. So it's basically, you can change that to whatever you want. So for example, if you don't want to have 3 fingers acting as a recent, I just change to show me notifications. So if I press 3 fingers, and straight away I'm getting notifications here. And you can change the same thing with the 4 fingers. One, like a bonus feature, what I would like to demonstrate is once you combine this with the on-screen keyboard. So for example, if you don't have a keyboard or a mouse and you want to control DeX, and obviously this is more useful if you're owner of a Galaxy tablet. So if I go to settings, quickly activate the on-screen keyboard. So let's say, yes, show me keyboard and show me on the tablet. So if I open up, for example, Samsung DeX post, and if I want to search, I'm getting a Gboard app showing up on my Galaxy tablet. I can type and use the trackpad to navigate with the mouse. So if I tap on here, I go here and I can write Google, enter. So I don't need the keyboard or a mouse. I can use my Galaxy Tab S6 as the input peripherals. So let's delete that. And let's say, for example, let's type, don't know why, but let's type the moon. And I can go up and down, and I want to pinch to zoom in and out to check this. And I want to move this app here. So input as a touchpad, converting your Galaxy device and touchpad is very useful in these kind of occasions where you don't have your keyboard or a mouse with you, but still you need to interact with the DeX. I hope this video helped. Thank you much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Goodbye.